Come on, it's just you and me here. You know what I mean. I've read your fucking stories. Blackness, all tied up with a pretty pink bow. That's your best trick, isn't it? Come on, look me in the eye and tell you don't feel the exact same way. They're cosmically screwed. That God is dead, or otherwise engaged, or and their leaders, so-called, even the best of them, are errant fucking knaves, or widely self-serving pricks, drunk with power and riches, and wielding sway with an arrogance and hypocrisy beyond the power of poems to name. That the whole fucking game has been bought and sold, and a dozen times, to the highest bidder, and that the curse towards destruction has been set, like that self-destructing mechanism on the Enterprise, and the red lights flashing, and the sirens blaring. And we've all been warned, but here's the thing. We just don't know how long the timer is set for. So we all go prancing along, pretending to be oblivious, and blithely clocking in, and having kids, and paying our bills. And meanwhile, the economic downtown blah blah blah, and the sluggish recovery blah blah blah, and fuck it, Anesis, whatever the fuck, while dictator Dickward threatens to blow some subset of poor innocent asswipes off the face of the planet. Well, meanwhile, the war on blah, and the war on blah, and the war on blah, and the war on blah 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 blah. And the fucking irony is, no matter how inconceivably broken the world gets, all most of us really care about deep down is if we get to snuggle up someone late at night who will just maybe help us to forget everything we actually know. You know what I mean. I know you know. But so, I can see it. You're as lost as me. Lost in life. And dismally disappointed that this is it.